Yo, what's going on guys? Welcome back to another amazing video. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how you can get 100% game completion, which means that you'll have unlimited credits, unlimited wheel spins, a lot of rare cars. Up to season 25, you pretty much have every single car, a very high level, and so much more. This is literally one of the easiest ways you can get 100% save game. It does take a few extra steps than usual, but I'll try to make this video as clear as possible and of course make the steps as fast as possible. And if you're anything like me, then this video is perfect because it gives me everything I want from Forza. I can finally enjoy the game to its full potential. So leave a like, comment to let me know if this works, or if you need any help. Be sure to join my Discord as well. We have moderators there that can help you, or just the average member can help you, helping out the community, get a bit of good karma, whatnot. Okay, so the very first thing that you need to do is join my Discord. Once you're in my Discord, you can have a look around, say hi to the members, but if you want 100% save game completion or save swap, we will have a separate tab here indicating for the save swap. Over here, if you do scroll up a bit, you can find different saves. For this video, we'll be using Ariza's 100% save V6, and there is also a written tutorial which I'll also have linked. Shout out to everyone that created this guide, the written guide, especially Merik. Without Merik, we would not be having all these cool little mods. So what we will need: basic computer skills, the file save that we want, and we will use the file save this one, Ariza V6 like I mentioned, Doliman scripter tool, 010 editor, and this template. So to make things easier for all of us, we will create a new folder, call it save swap. Okay, oops, we already have a save swap folder. Okay, let's do save swap V6. Okay, we have this folder here. Okay, so first of all, we will download Doliman scripter tool. And make sure you have WinRAR installed before you guys try extracting these folders, because they are zipped in WinRAR. So you have to make sure that you have some sort of file that can unzip zip files. I recommend WinRAR, it's the best and free. So we'll put these two files in our new folder. Okay, the next step is we need to install 010 editor. Okay, we'll download it for Windows. Okay, now we will install it, run the installer, and there we go. Yes, I accept. Easy, easy, easy. Okay, whilst that is installing, we can go ahead and install this template. Press download over here, and then hold on, drag it into the folder so we know where it is. Easy. Okay, let's see. Installed, launch. Okay, we can launch that. Close what you don't need. So first of all, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can find the save file for the Steam version. This also works for cracked versions or online fix. So what you need to do is open up File Explorer. Once you're in File Explorer, open up the disk where you have Forza installed, program files, Steam, user data, and then over here you have to find your Steam ID. I mean, for me it's quite easy because these are not Steam IDs. This is the Steam ID over here, and then you open up this folder, go to remote, and sort by date modifier. And as you see here, this is the latest modified folder, which means that this should be our save file. Okay, that was very easy, right? And then we go to our first folder we created, paste that into there just so we have a copy. Original copy is always nice to have in case something goes wrong, and we can always revert back to our original save. Perfect. Okay, and so for the Xbox version, I'm going to be showing you a snippet from a previous video that I made for the save swap, because I do not currently have Forza installed for the Microsoft version, so I will not be able to show you guys how this works. But it's the same process. It's just that some steps in the future will be a bit different. This is why I'm making an updated version, but so far all the steps are the same. So yeah. So step 1 is go to this file location. We'll copy this, press Windows key and R at the same time, and you should have this prompt window open. Press OK, and here we have all of these files. So press date modified, and we will have the latest folder that was modified. Open it and open up the container file in a notepad, and you should see profile data. If you don't see profile data in this in the container folder or file, that means that this is not the correct folder. I will show you an example here, for example. So as you see over here, we do not have profile data anywhere. This means that this is not your save file and you need to search for another folder. It's usually the latest one and it's the heaviest file. As you see, it's 423 KB. I think it's kilobytes? Yeah, kilobytes. That should be it. So in case anything goes wrong, always make a backup copy of the original save file that we have not modified. You can keep this anywhere you want. I'll just keep mine in my desktop. Okay, so perfect. We have our save file. We have all of the files installed that we need, so we can finally start the process of save swapping. Right, so first of all, what you want to do is locate the folder that we made. So save swap v6, this is one that we made. Press shift, right click, and then over here we should have a magical button that says open PowerShell window here. Voila. Once this is opened in PowerShell, run this command. Okay, so it says over here replace save file name with the name of your file save. Easy. Our save file name will be ariza_v6. Once again, you can get this file from my Discord server over here. Download it, put it in this folder. There we go. So we copy this name over here. Perfect. Replace it where it says save file name. Okay, copy this. Now paste it into the PowerShell and we should see it look exactly like this. If you have anything otherwise, make sure that the names are correct. Rewatch the video a few times. Make sure you guys do the steps exactly as I do. Don't try to skip a few parts of this video thinking that you can save yourself some time. No, you need to do this perfectly as I do. Okay, next step is open up the decrypted save file in 010 editor. Okay, so we go back to our folder, and over here, if we right click the file, we can go to 010 editor. Okay, so the next step, it says press Alt 3 to enable the output window, so we will do that. We should see an output window like this open up. That means so far we're doing everything correctly. And then press Ctrl F5, select the template that we downloaded. Okay, Ctrl F5, find the folder that we made, and over here we have profile data 1.3 template. Easy. Once this is open, you can press F5, and over here we have our profile XUID. That is exactly what we want. So like it says here, press F5 to load the template. You'll see a 16-digit XUID in the output window, which is over here, bottom left. Okay, now we copy the XUID, press Ctrl F, and we found the XUID that we got from the output window. Perfect. Now we can pause this for a second. Over here we have a special site where we convert our Xbox profile XUID so we can save it to the new save file. Perfect. So over here you need to type in your Xbox username. So in my case it will be Stop Taking Paris. Make sure you have no hashtags in there, because I know a few people put hashtags, since on Xbox app it shows there's a hashtag but it's not supposed to be a hashtag. So over here we have an XUID hex. We copy this. Once that is copied, we go to this other website where we can convert our XUID. Perfect. Once we have this over here, we can copy it, and then the next step, it states for us to go to 010 editor and then paste the XUID that we just copied over here, but we paste it by pressing Control Shift and V, not Control V but Control Shift and V. Okay, so over here, Control Shift V, there we go. We should see these numbers have successfully copied over. Perfect. Now we can save this, close it, and then in the PowerShell we can copy this and run this command. Okay, easy. There we go. Now if we look in our folder, we should have a final save. Okay, perfect. So with this we can just name our first save to something else, because we actually, wait, let me copy everything over here and then just name it something else so it doesn't interfere. Actually, let's just put it in downloads folder. Okay, and then we have our final save. Replace it with our original file save name, and then we are pretty much done. So go back to where we found our save, like so. Okay, perfect. Now replace it. Now we can launch Forza Horizon 5. If done everything successfully, you should be 100% completed for Forza. Okay, let's launch Forza now. Okay, now we are on Forza and we can see that our level has changed. Of course our money went down, but that's fine, because if we go to our Wheelspins, we should see that we have unlimited Wheelspins. And there we go, we have unlimited Wheelspins, just like that. We can get as much money as we want. We can get all the rare cars. This is amazing. So if you guys enjoyed this quick little tutorial, I'm not sure if it was quick, but it definitely is amazing for what it does. So make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.